Hello and welcome to Sanyukta Singh Studio, guys, and this is your mentor Avinash again. A very warm welcome to all the design aspirants who have been following us since last, I guess, it's been 4 years now to our channel on 28th of May, and we are very happy and excited that our offline center is in Delhi. It's in Dwarka, and very soon we are going to open another center here in Delhi only. So that is a surprise for all of you. Currently our batches are running. There are 2 batches, and third batch is going to start from 1st of July for NIFT, NID, UCEED and CEED for all bachelor's and master's program. Now our 70% candidates takes online classes from across India. I mean, I have candidates from every corner of India. You just name it and you'll find a student from that particular place. Now today specifically is a very demanded session, though we have uploaded many videos on our channel related with UCEED and CEED, but still there's so many confusion that how to prepare for UCEED, what type of questions comes in the exam, what all centers are there for UCEED and CEED. So particularly we are going to talk about that for upcoming exam of UCEED and CEED, which is going to take place in 2025, and you all are welcome to put your comments in the comment section or follow us on Instagram, which is SS Design House. So let's start this video. So first of all, what is UCEED? UCEED refers to Undergraduate Common Entrance Exam for Design, right? Now CEED is Common Entrance Exam for Design. Both are conducted by IDC Bombay on India level or pan-India level. All right. Now these are the 7 campuses wherein Department of Design offers the design program, which is IIT Bombay. Again, it's IDC is part of IIT Bombay, which offers design program. Second, IIT Delhi. Then we have IIT Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jabalpur, and finally this year onwards IIT Roorkee has also started their participation in the design program. So overall we have 7 campuses now for bachelor's and master's, which is UCEED and CEED. All right, moving forward, pattern and procedure. Now basically before this year there used to be only 1 question in UCEED for creative and 2 questions for CEED in creative. Apart from that, there was an aptitude test which consists of non-verbal reasoning, mental maths, design and observation skill, sensitivity. Based on these, the questions you would have got. Also some of the questions from pulley system and all. So basically that's aptitude. If you had strong grip in maths, basically when you were in 10th, 11th, 12th, you'll be easily cracking this particular exam if you concentrate and give enough time on daily basis. All right. So the total marks for the exam, part A plus part B, will be of 300 marks. So UCEED basically 200 marks is for aptitude and 100 marks for creative exam. So this is basically the pattern through which the questions are asked in the exam. The first one is NAT, that is numerical ability test. You'll get 14 questions, and for every correct answer you'll get 4 marks. For every wrong answer you get 0 marks. So in total it's 56, right? So that simply means numerical ability test. That means you do not get any choices. You'll get a fill in the blanks and you have to put in your answer by solving that question. Question can be in different manners or different ways. It could be numerical based, reasoning, it could be find the differences, observation based questions. So you'll have to answer it correctly to secure the complete 4 marks. Second one is MSQ, multiple select question. That simply means in each question you will have more than 1 answer. Now here you see the partial marking option. Now basically for partial marking, that simply means sometimes you get, if your answer is completely correct, you get 4. If there are 3 options, but out of 3 you just selected 2, right? So you get 3 marks. If there are 3 answers, but out of 3 you just selected 1, you get 2 marks. Remember, in all these 3 cases, what I have told you, make sure not a single answer is incorrect. Even if there is a single answer incorrect, simply you get negative marking 1. So if you actually answered all the question correctly, so total 60 marks. Next one is MCQ, multiple choice question, where only one answer is correct. You'll get 28 questions. Each question or each correct answer consists 3 marks, and each wrong answer it's minus 0.71. In total it becomes 84, right? So that is 200 marks for aptitude. Now in design, that is part B, sketching and design aptitude based, you get 2 questions and each question consists 50 marks. So overall it becomes 300 marks for you, right? So this is the pattern for UCEED exam. It may change a little. This is a tentative number of questions. You know, it may go up and down 1 or 2 questions, but that is completely feasible because from past 3 years we have been watching the same pattern, and that is what we have been asking our students to follow. Alright, so total number of questions are 57 for here and 2 questions here, so in total it's 59 questions. You'll get complete 3 hours to solve these questions. Clear? Moving forward. What is CEED? Again, CEED is Masters in Design, that is Common Entrance Examination for Design, offered by these 7 campuses, which is IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, Hyderabad, Roorkee and Kanpur. So these are the 7 campuses. Here Jabalpur is not there. Instead of Jabalpur you get IIT Kanpur. Now for CEED, again, number of questions for NAT, that is 8, and each right answer consists 3 marks. So overall it becomes 24. Multiple select question, that means you have more than 1 answer. In that case 10 question. For that 30 marks if you are actually doing all the answers correct, 3 marks each. Multiple choice question, here 23 questions and each correct answer gives you 2 marks. So overall it becomes 46. So in total it's 100 marks of aptitude for aptitude part. Now if I talk about part B, you have 5 questions, which is a surprise for this year's student, because one of the student cracked IIT. She got IIT Roorkee, one of the student got IIT Delhi. So here it was a surprise because earlier the number of questions were not 5, but this year it was a surprise for all the students. So the questions will be based on sketching, creativity, form sensitivity, visual sensitivity and problem identification. These all are sketching and drawing, and each question consists 20 marks. So overall it becomes 100 marks for you. So CEED examination is for 200 marks, UCEED exam is for 300 marks. Clear? Moving forward. The syllabus. Now most of the time the students are confused about the syllabus of UCEED and CEED. Though we have our own in-house study material and books divided in 5 different segments, which is design and observation, sensitivity, mental maths, brain teaser and mathematics and non-verbal reasoning. So these are the books through which our students read. You can check it on Amazon and Flipkart. It is easily available, or you can also place the order through our website, which is www.sanyuktadesign.com. Moving forward, so these are the syllabus here: counting of figure, 2D and 3D shape perception, counting of cubes, counting of edges and surfaces, orthographic view, platonic solids, spot the difference, cross section of 2D and 3D shapes, water and mirror images. Now out of these topics you will easily get 5 to 7 questions in the exam if you go through these topics and solve the question based out of it. Understand? Moving forward. Observation and design sensitivity. This is another book what we offer to our student. Plan and elevation of object, it's plain. Evolution of product and object. Now evolution, that simply means 100 years back the toaster used to look like this, now it look like this. So there you'll see a picture and you'll have to recognize which product is that, and trust me, it is very difficult. Sometimes you'll get confused, is it really a toaster? It happens. Photography, questions based on photography. You'll be given a picture, you'll have to answer it. Is it a fish eye view, wide lens view? So these type of questions you will get. Skin and texture, you'll be given a picture and you'll have to recognize, is it a smooth, is it a hard surface, or obviously the entire topic is discussed in our book. Identification of musical instruments. Now you'll be given a picture of a musical instrument, you have to identify which musical instrument is that, and trust me, all of you must have been knowing 20, 25, 30, 40 musical instruments, but the number is huge. So go through all the musical instruments. Animation movement. Now you'll be given 4 pictures. Based on that, you'll have to guess the 5th picture. Like a batsman is playing the game. You see the picture of the first step where the batsman is doing like this, and the second step, then third step. So what will be the 4th step of the batsman? So that's called animation movement. Working geometrical objects, unfolded and folded view, that's very easy. You'll easily see the questions in the last year UCEED paper. Unfolded, like you have been given a folded picture and then you have 4 options that if you unfold it, what does it look like, or what will it look like? So you have to answer that. Hidden words and objects, you have been given a picture, you have to identify the number of hidden objects, or find the differences or spot the difference between 2 pictures and then answer it correctly. Next one is design thinking and problem solving. That's our 3rd book what we offer to our student. Visual analogies, symbol and metaphors, science, brain teasers. Now we have separated this brain teaser book entirely for our student, where all the questions are related with brain teasers and puzzles. Mechanical concept, data interpretation, miscellaneous questions, general knowledge and comprehension. So these are one of the part of UCEED and CEED exam. Reasoning. Now non-verbal reasoning questions are mostly asked in UCEED and CEED. So here, dot solution, cubes and dices, classification, water image, figure matrix, rule detection, shape construction, series, analytical reasoning, embedded images, paper folding, grouping of images. So these are some of the topics which you can go through for your UCEED and CEED entrance exam 2025. Maths and physics, obviously physics, sometime it comes, sometime it doesn't come in the exam, but here are some of the topics what we have actually found in the past 10 years, and we have combined it and actually embedded some of the questions from our end for the students to practice more and more. Surface area, volume, rotation and pulley, geometry, cube and cuboid, height and distance, direction, sense question. So these are some of the questions. Creative. Now this is again a very crucial part of any design entrance exam, which is creative. Though in UCEED and CEED, unless you clear your aptitude cutoff, this paper, that is part B, doesn't get checked. So you might see that part A score is there, but part B score is not there. The only reason is that at the bottom it says that you did not qualify the part A round. That's why this particular paper is unchecked. Creative, object drawing, memory drawing, composition, perspective, human figure and postures, shading and visualization, identifying problems and their solutions, futuristic design, conventional, unconventional design, color theory. So these are some of the topics which usually comes in the exam. Now if I'll talk about some of the demands are here, that sir, could you please show us your book, that how does it look like? Though you can purchase it from all the e-commerce websites, we are available everywhere. At the same time, our website also offers the same. Now here, these are the book, like visual and special ability. Now if I open the book, I have been reading, I've been teaching this to our students. We have many faculty from IIT and SSC, UPSC aspirants. So these are the topics what it was written there, and you will see the questions based on that. Right, so it's nearly, this is just one book, and you will see how many pages are there. It's nearly 160 pages. That's just one module, wherein you will see all sort of questions. You have to solve it, and you will see the answer as well. This is just for this study material. All right. Same way, we have our book, that is observation and design book. Now, observation and design book, I take care of this class specifically by myself. So the topics which I was talking about, plan and elevation of objects. So these are the questions based out of it. At the same time, you will see here all sort of questions: mirror images, animation moment, and then folded, unfolded. These are evolution of products. You will see the questions based out of it. And then we have basically, these are, you have to recognize, this is evolution of the product actually. And then on the basis of that, photography, this is fisheye view. Focal length, what is ISO? So you should be knowing all these things, because these are the general question what they ask in the exam. So if you will see here, it's nearly 157 pages in another module what we offer. Like here, count the number of people with misstitch in the given picture below. So you have to identify and answer it. So how many different type of symbol appear in the figure given below? So these are some of the questions which is included in the book. At the same time, we have design thinking, which is module 3, what we call visual analogies. Now here you'll see all sort of questions which is related with reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, identify the symbols, metaphors, everything is there. Right? So this is another module what we offer to our students. It's of 112 page. And then we have non-verbal reasoning book. This is non-verbal reasoning book for the students of NID and UCEED. You can see the number of pages, 245, with all the answers. And this is what we offer to our students. And then we have maths, comprehension, we do have, and it's available in hard copy. You don't have to worry about that. So this was about UCEED, how we conduct the classes. If you want a demo class, demo session, you can get in touch with us on the number which is flashing at the bottom of this video. At the same time, you can WhatsApp us as well on 870-032-3087. And in case if you have any other doubt, you can give me a call and I'll definitely try to answer your call. So that was it for the UCEED 2025 entrance exam. It was nice, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.